This is Unit 2602 at the Britannia building in the Quadomain, located in Hollywood, Florida. 1 bedroom, 1.5 bathrooms, almost 1,000 square feet, fully remodeled. Not only do you get a direct ocean view, but you get to see the sand, the water rolling into the sand, and the community's 2 pools and sun deck. Fabulous view. You also get an extra ocean exposure above the building across the street. Units that are on the lower floors in this line do not get this view, so you get the extra exposure on the 26th floor. See, it's a nice sized balcony. This wall is mirrored. The unit comes furnished. You can see just how much space there is. Tile floors throughout the unit, 24-inch tile. New fixtures. They took off the popcorn ceiling. What's nice is how you could watch TV and be able to look out at the ocean as well. The dining area is large enough that you can sit 6 or even 8 people with a larger table. Open kitchen. Stainless steel appliances. Lots of cabinet space. Took off the dome ceiling, new fixtures. Pantry. Siltstone countertops and backsplashes. Open kitchen, breakfast bar. This is a half bathroom for your guests to use, with a marble countertop, new fixture. You have a storage closet. The owner made an office space, so you have your computer and shelves. This is the master bathroom with marble countertops, new fixtures. It's very large. There are 2 closets. This is a walk-in. And the second closet. bedroom. Custom lighting above the bed. Again, no popcorn on the ceilings. Ocean view. Very spacious. So if you're interested in seeing this unit, call me for an appointment, or if you have any questions.